Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Crack It. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications. So in this video, we are going to discuss about an off-campus drive which is LG Soft India. Now let's see what is LG Soft India. LG Soft India started in 1996 and it is headquartered in Bangalore. So in a span of about 2 decades, it has established itself as an innovation hub of LG Group in the Asia Pacific region. Now let's see about the job description. So LG Soft India is hiring for software engineer and it is for BE BTech 2020 and 2021 batch graduates, and job title is software engineer, and this job is specifically for C++, Java and Python, and job type is contract to hire, and work location is Bangalore, and when the pandemic situation normalizes and your location maybe changes, and the CTC is offering for this job is around 4.8 LPA. And now let's see the eligibility criteria. Uh, Professional graduate in either streams like BTech, BA, that is in computer science, information science or technology, electricals, electronics and communication, and you should be either 2020 or 2021 pass outs. Then only you are eligible to apply for this off-campus job, and you should have excellent communication skills and a minimum academic score of 60% in 10th and 12th, and a minimum score of 60% in graduation. So if you have any active backlog, you are not eligible to apply for this process. And essential skills. Candidate should be well versed in one of the languages to apply for this role. So you should be either proficient in C or C++ or Java or Python, and fair understanding of OS, like example Linux. And you should have good communication skills. Selection process. And you will be having three rounds in this. First round is online aptitude test. Test link will be shared to the registered email IDs through test platform called MyAnatomy. And the technical interview, it is that the interview will be taken through Skype, and the HR interview is also same. The interview will be taken in Skype. Important guidelines: online test will be sent to the registered candidates who meet the eligibility criteria. So the test link will be only sent to the registered candidates, those who meet eligibility criteria. And the shortlisted candidates on the test should be available for the further interview process. And candidates should be available for immediate joining. So after shortlisting, you should be able to join the company and fill the below form and apply for this job. So guys, another off-campus drive is Cognizant. It is one of the largest IT company in India, and it is hiring for Gen Z programmer training, IT, PT. It is for BSc and BCA of 2021 batch, and the CTC offered for this Cognizant is 2,52,000 per annum. Now let's see the job description. Requirement analysis, high level design, minor coding changes, unit testing, documentation and closure, and use tools and techniques for automation of unit testing, or develop stub programs to minimize defect leakage in ST or UAT. And you should be able to independently resolve technical issues in a programming language or environment. And you should be able to understand the industry business model and its role in the overall scheme of things. And you should possess a strong drive to innovate, experiment with new technology, and aptitude to be a learning champion. Display traits of self discipline and accountability. And you should be inclined to self learn adjacent technologies and contribute to a strong peer learning network. And eligibility criteria. As I already said that 2021 batch of BCA, BSc in the branch of IT or computer science or computer technology, mathematics, physics or chemistry, statistics. So PG courses are not eligible to apply for this Cognizant. Consistent academic record of a minimum of 50% in 10th, 12th, diploma, UG, and all subjects will be taken into consideration. So you should not have any backlogs in current education, and only maximum of 2 years gap in education should be allowed to apply for this job. And it is open to all Indian nationals only. and you should be able to flexible to relocate to any location in India, and you should be able to work in any shift or domain, and you can be able to apply by clicking on apply now. Thank you guys.